The chopping board, also known as a cutting board, is a fundamental tool used in kitchens around the world. Its history can be traced back thousands of years, evolving alongside the development of culinary practices and the materials available. The earliest evidence of chopping boards can be found in ancient civilizations such as Egypt, where they were commonly used in food preparation. These early cutting boards were typically made from stone or wood, and their purpose was to provide a stable and clean surface for cutting and chopping food. In ancient Rome, the Romans used cutting boards made from marble as it was a durable and hygienic material. These boards were often placed on a pedestal for easier access and to prevent cross-contamination between different foods. During the Middle Ages, wooden cutting boards became more prevalent. They were made from a variety of woods such as oak, maple, and beech. These boards were often large and heavy, designed to withstand the force of chopping and prevent knives from dulling quickly. As time went on, cutting boards continued to evolve in both design and materials. In the 19th century, with the rise of industrialization, cutting boards began to be mass-produced. They were commonly made from hardwoods like maple, which were durable and resistant to knife marks. These boards were often rectangular in shape and had a handle for easy handling. In the 20th century, the development of synthetic materials led to introduction of plastic cutting boards. Plastic cutting boards offered several advantages over their wooden counterparts. They were lightweight, inexpensive, and dishwasher safe. However, concerns about hygiene and cross-contamination arose as plastic boards could develop deep knife grooves that were difficult to clean thoroughly. In the recent years, there has been a resurgence of interest in wooden cutting boards. Many professional chefs and home cooks prefer them because they are believed to be more forgiving on knife edges and are often considered aesthetically pleasing. Additionally, certain woods such as bamboo have natural antimicrobial properties, making them an attractive choice for those concerned with hygiene. Innovation has also led to the development of specialized cutting boards. Some boards are designed with grooves and channels to capture juices when cutting meat or fruits, preventing them from spilling onto the countertop. Others have built-in scales and measurements to aid in precise cutting and portion control. Furthermore, with the growing awareness of sustainability, eco-friendly cutting boards made from renewable materials such as bamboo or reclaimed wood have gained popularity. Today, the chopping board remains an essential tool in every kitchen, regardless of its material or design. Whether it's a traditional wooden board or a modern plastic one, its purpose remains the same, to provide a safe and clean surface for food preparation, ensuring that chef's knife can do its work effectively and efficiently.